Hi guys, do you want to know how many days are left for your upcoming birthday? You can do this simple thing by using Microsoft Excel. Not only this, in this video we are going to discuss 5 useful Excel functions that will really help you. So watch this video till the end and please like and share this video. Control this side from Accessible Computing. Let's start. So first we will open a blank workbook.
Excel. An Excel home grouping. New grouping. Sheet 1 table. A 1.
So here I have opened a new workbook.
Restore R. Book 1.
It's a blank workbook.
A 1.
Now I'm in the cell A1. In A1 I want to type today's date. We already know we can type today's date by pressing Ctrl:. But today I'm going to show you how you can enter the date dynamically. For this you need to type a formula. I'm pressing F2 here.
Edit blank.
And I'm typing a formula. I'm typing equals today, left paren, right paren.
Today.
Listen.
Equals TODAY, right parent. Line blank. Right parent.
Sorry.
Equals TODAY, left parent. Right parent. Blank.
Okay, so this is the first function to write date dynamically. So I'm pressing enter here.
Sheet 1 table. A 2.
Now today's date is
10/11/2023 as formula A1.
10/11/2023. But if you see the same thing tomorrow, you can see the tomorrow's date. So this is how you can easily enter the date dynamically using function. Next, we will see how you can enter the date and time in a single cell by using a formula. We can write the date using Ctrl:, and we can write the time using Ctrl:. So I'm coming down. Here I'm typing another function.
Edit blank.
So I'm pressing F2 and here I'm typing equals now, left paren, right paren.
Now.
Let's check.
Equals NOW, left parent, right parent, blank.
So this is the function you can use to type the current date and time. So I'm pressing enter.
Sheet 1 take.
Listen.
A 3. 10/11/2023 2011 as formula overflowing A2.
So it is saying overflowing. So let me increase the row height. Now see.
Book 1 10/11/2023 2011 as formula A2.
Right. So now the time and date is showing in a single cell, but we want to see only the time. How to change that? To do that, I'm going to Format tab.
Format cells dialog. Type the number format code using one of the.
I'm pressing tab.
Format cells tab. Control. Category list custom.
Category list custom. Okay. Then
type edit alt plus T blank.
In this edit box, type another formula. So let's say I want to see the timings, hours, minutes, and AM or PM. So I'm typing H:MM.
H.
Then space.
Millimeters.
Then AM capital /PM.
AM.
Then I'm pressing tab.
PM. Format
Again.
cell OK button.
Click on OK.
Book 1.
Now see.
10/8/11 PM as formula A2.
8:11 PM. If I want to see the same timing in 24 hours format, then what to do? I'm undoing this.
10/11/2023 2014.
Again I'm going to Format tab.
Format cells dialog.
Pressing tab here.
Category
Again.
list type edit alt plus T blank.
Here I'm typing H:MM.
H.
Then tab.
Millimeter OK button.
Click on OK.
Book 1.
Now see.
10/2014 as formula A2.
Okay. So this is how you can type dynamically time and date. Now next we will see another interesting trick. Let's say
A 3, a 4.
I'm here and I'm typing accessible.
Edit A.
Then I'm going below.
Sheet 1 table access a 5.
A5. Here I'm typing computing.
Edit. Sheet compute accessible A4, computing A5.
So let's say our first name is accessible and the last name is computing, but I want to join this text. How to do that? I'm going a blank cell.
A6.
Okay, A6. So I want to join the letters A4 and A5. So I'm pressing F2 here.
Edit blank.
And typing equals A4, then and
A4.
and sign, which is shift plus 7.
Left parent blank. Left parent. Star blank star. And blank and blank.
Then within quotation I give a space, because we need also a space between accessible and computing. Then again I'm giving and
blank.
then the last cell, which is A5. Now let's check.
Equals A4 and quote space quote and A5 blank.
If you have more cells, you can add like this. I'm pressing enter here.
Sheet 1 table A7.
See.
Accessible computing has formula A6.
Now I'm copying this
Copy A7
and pasting the value here.
Paste special dot formulas already values book 1 paste values sheet 1 accessible computing A7.
Let's check.
A accessible computing space COMPUTING sheet 1.
Okay, so this is how you can easily join the letters or join the data from two or more cells in one cell. Now the final trick which I'm going to show you, how you can calculate your upcoming birth date days. Okay, for this let's move to another blank cell.
A 9 a 10.
Let's say here I'm typing today's date. So I'm using equals now.
Now. Left W left right pair blank sheet 1 table.
See,
10/11/2023 2017 as formula A10.
A10.
B10.
So in B10 I'm typing my date of birth in mm/dd/YYYY format. So let's say we're typing accessible computing's birthday here.
Edit blank. Num lock on.
So our birthday is 16th November. So we're typing 11/16/2017. Sorry, 2023, because we want to know the days of this year. How many days are left? So I'm pressing enter here.
Sheet 1 11/10/11/2023 2018 as formula A10.
Today's date and
11/16/2023 B10.
This is the date of our accessible computing foundation. Now here C10 I want the result. I am pressing F2 here.
Edit blank.
And type the formula. Here I'm just typing equals. Here you need to subtract today's date from the birthday's date. So here I'm giving the cells number equals B10 dash or minus
B10.
A10. See,
equals B10 dash A0 blank 0 A0.
I'm giving 1
A10 blank.
Now I'm pressing enter.
Sheet 1 35.15267
35.xyz
1130 equals B10 dash A10 blank. Sheet 1135.
So let's
format cells dialog.
change the
Gender
format.
Format cells have form number, gender number, decimal places. Edit Alt plus D blank. Line 2 blank 3 blank. Line.
Here I'm hitting enter 0.
0 negative OK button. Book 1 except 1135 as formula C10.
35 days. So 35 days are left. As we are using the dynamic date function, so if I see this tomorrow, then it will say 34 days. It is amazing, right? So these are 5 amazing formulas and functions of MS Excel that will help you in your daily life. That's it for the day, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends and like the video. Let me know in the comment section which one is best. Thanks for watching. See you soon.